Now, whilst reading the next introduction, I am in awe of this 14-year-old Rodion Zaichikov, who is building a low-cost hypersonic wind tunnel for the visualization of hypersonic airflow using Schlieren Imaging for scramjet engines. Now, there are lots of words in there that I'm not sure everybody will understand. Clearly, you want to be a space engineer, and you write that this is a continuation in your efforts to design and build reusable transport vehicles to deliver goods and materials from space to Earth. So do tell us more.
Hello. Can you tell me a bit about your project?
For my project, I built a hypersonic wind tunnel. Basically, it's a machine that simulates the conditions of a hypersonic flow inside of it. It accelerates air to Mach 5 and beyond.
And this looks like a lot of physics and maths and difficult things. What was the most difficult part about your project?
The most difficult part about my project was the vacuum chamber, because it was always leaking and the vacuum was never perfect, so I had to do a lot of stuff to make it good.
Okay. And how did you come up with this idea specifically? How did you figure out that's what you wanted to work on?
I'm interested in rockets and planes, like aerodynamic stuff. Yeah.
And where did this passion come from? Actually, from your childhood, from school?
I think it's from my childhood, because I always filled out those books with the drawings of the planes that you have to color in. So yeah, that's where it came from.
And what do you want to become a pilot later on in life? What do you think you want to do later?
I think I want to be an engineer because I want to be a pilot. It's not that much related with science, so I think I'm gonna build stuff like that or do aerodynamics in the future. Yeah.
And how long have you been working on this entire project? Because again, this looks like a lot of difficult things.
The entirety of this project I finished in about 1 month and a half, roughly. From start to finish, I only started 1 month ago.
And with school and everything, you figured it out?
I figured out that I did 2 projects before for this year, but they didn't work, so I switched it quickly to this one, and it worked, yeah.
Thank you. And now, Lisa, back to you.
We're going to ask you a question.
Okay.
All right. Now, to be fair, I had a really long look, and you've explained quite a lot to me about your project. It was absolutely incredible. But for those who haven't seen it, in a few words, would you like to explain your project?
So, hello everyone. Basically, I built a machine that accelerates air to speeds of up to Mach 5. Yeah.
Mach 5. Can you describe for most of us that don't know what that is in kilometers per hour, approximately?
So, I think that's 2,500 kilometers per hour.
Okay,
roughly.
That's quite significant. And you were mentioning that there are some aircrafts that reach those types of speeds? Or not aircrafts, they were?
So right now they only have missiles which reach that speed, but no aircraft currently, yeah.
Incredible. Thank you very much. Congratulations. Would you like to come back here? Well done. Wait. If you stand here for the picture. Come back for the picture. There you go. All right, smile for the picture. And one more in the air. There you go.